Hello, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to submit a service call that you've completed by answering the questions, attaching pictures, and putting in your date of service. In this example, we're going to use service call number 0509-451-4. I'm going to click the service call number. When you click the service call number, the service call player opens up, and that is where you'll see all the questions that you have to answer. Up here is the Submit Service Call button. After you've filled in all the questions with pictures and captions, this is the button that you'll click to submit. We've also provided you an Erase Data on Form button in case you've filled in the questionnaire before submitting it and you noticed that it was the wrong information. You can completely erase everything on the form. Also, please note here's the planned hours and here's the actual hours. Right now there's nothing submitted, so when we change our work from date and time and our work to date and time, this will change. The actual hours will change from 0.00 to 1.0. So let's try this. I'm going to put the date of service as 5/12. Now I realize in this example the commit date was 5/10. At the time I committed for the service calls, I thought I was going to get this to the store on 5/10, but in reality I was only able to get there at 5/12, so that's fine. I started my service call at 10 o'clock in the morning, and I completed the service call at 11 o'clock. You'll notice now, after I enter the time, the actual hours equals the planned hours. If for some reason you go over the planned hours, please mention that in the after picture caption of the service call. Just one added piece of information. Remember, the time is in military time. For example, if you worked at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, that would be 1,300 hours. If you worked till 2 o'clock, it would be 1,400 hours. Okay, let's enter our pictures. First question is upload the before picture of the men's Calvin Klein dress belts. I browse my computer. I happen to have created a folder for 5/12 Macy's Cherry Hill on my computer, and here is my before picture. And it appears in the box. In this question, I'm asked to rate the presentation, good, fair, or poor, before I started my work. And I'm going to say it was good. And now I'm going to upload my after picture, which is right here. And it appears in the box. And for this picture, I'm asked certain questions. Where is the brand located within a department? And I'm going to say presentation is on the back wall. Number 2, how many pegs? There are 16 pegs on the fixture. Number 3, was there any change since the last visit of fixture type or allocation? And I'm going to say No change from last visit. And number 4, what was the best selling styles or any feedback that you received from the department manager or sales associates? And I'm going to type in here, reversible black belts are selling the best as per Roger, the department manager. And the last piece is I'm going to upload my total department picture. Here it is. And the caption for this picture is the first and last name of the department manager. Manager's name is Roger Parks. Okay, once I've reviewed all my information that it's accurate, I will then submit the service call. By going up to this top button, I will press the Submit Service Call. And after submitting the service call, you will get a confirmation number. And here's my confirmation number, 119314. I close this, and you'll notice when my screen refreshes, that service call has disappeared, and you can no longer access that. If for some reason you submitted the information incorrectly, please email me and I will release and reinstate the service call for you to resubmit. And that's how you enter a completed service call's information.